To paint multiple materials on one object, add a new material. Open the Material Editor menu. Choose a second material to paint. Now add the material chosen with the Add Module button. Above each module, there will be a button which is used to paint the underlying module. Press to start/stop paint. To adjust the brush settings, press the Paint Tools button. You can also resize the brush size by pressing the F key, and moving the mouse left, right. To resize the material individually, you can find the Scale Uniform property to resize only one single module. The Paint module is always ready and selectable. You can add up to 4 painting modules. If you want to add others, you will have to use FX Layer. See the relative tutorial. To make, fill, all the material of the same module, press the Fill button.